Hi my beauties, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. On very popular request from a lot of you, I've put together an affordable and also an effective skincare kit for teenagers and also for beginners. A lot of you who are teenagers ask me for an easy to do skincare routine, something that's effective and affordable as well. So here it is. A lot of products in this video are my personal favorites as well. I've tried to pick up products that will work on various different skin types, and like I said, some of my personal favorites being thrown into this kit. It's only a very easy 5-step skincare routine that I've put together for teenagers. If you're new here, make sure you're subscribed to my channel and you've also hit the notification bell. Do also follow me on my Instagram account. And now without further ado, let's dive right into this video. The first product in any skincare routine is to use a good, effective and a non-stripping face wash. For teenagers, there's one particular face wash that I personally feel is absolutely amazing and perfect in many ways. It's a personal favorite product. What I'm referring to is the Simple Refreshing Facial Wash. This is a color and a fragrance-free product, which makes it even more perfect for teenagers because you have young skin. You don't want to strip your skin at that age. Not just that, I like the fact that this face wash foams really well. So if you have acne prone skin, if you think that you have clogged pores, this is the one to go for. It's a gentle formulation, simple formulation, and the way this is formulated, it works very well with the natural ecosystem of the skin. Some of the ingredients that I have listed in front of me that I want to highlight. This has vitamin E, which is a moisturizing agent for the skin. This also has provitamin B5, which is a great humectant. Overall, I would say if you're looking for a good, affordable, effective and a non-stripping face wash for teenagers, beginners or whatever your skin type or age may be, this I feel is something one must try. The second step of any skincare routine is to use a toner. In my opinion, a toner can really rehydrate your skin, and it is great to use one immediately after you wash your face to rehydrate your face. You can also use it as a face mist during the day, especially in summers. For teenagers, I would highly recommend go in for a good rose water. Now, the rose water that I have for you here, it's not super duper affordable, but I would say if you can invest in this, it's a great product. What I have here is the Karma Ayurveda Rose Water. This is again a product I've spoken about many times on my channel. It's a great rose water. It's pure and it works really well on the skin. A good rose water hydrates your skin really well. If you don't want to go in for this, you can buy any rose water of your choice, but a good rose water can make a huge difference in your skincare routine. The third step of this skincare routine is a facial serum. Now you must be wondering, why am I recommending a facial serum? Because I've said this time and again in many of my videos that I don't feel that teenagers need a facial serum. However, so many of you ask me, I literally get comments on a daily basis from teenagers to recommend a good facial serum. Now I had to hunt down one which is affordable and effective as well, and I'm glad I found this one product. This is from Plum. It's a recent launch. This is the Plum Vitamin C. This has 15% ethyl ascorbic acid. This is a great product in my opinion. It's a very lightweight facial serum. And why do I recommend a vitamin C serum? In case you want to include one in your skincare routine, this is a great product, not just affordable. It has a good form of vitamin C. Vitamin C is an antioxidant. It reverses sun damage. It's going to brighten your skin and also work on acne scars. Therefore, if you want to include a good facial serum in your skincare routine, this is the one you can definitely try. Moving on to the fourth step of this skincare routine, I have a very affordable and an effective moisturizer for you guys, which is going to work on many different skin types. It's a win-win situation with this moisturizer. It has become a personal favorite as well. What I'm referring to here is the Simple Protecting Light Moisturizer with SPF 15. Now, if you guys have been following me on my YouTube, you would know that I've already used and recommended the Simple Light Moisturizer. So I wanted to go ahead and try this one out as well. In my opinion, a great product. I am going to come to the ingredients, but first I want to show you the texture of this, which is very lightweight and gets absorbed in the skin very easily. I've taken some at the back of my hand. I'm going to spread this out. I love the consistency of this. It's lightweight, non-greasy, non-oily formula, and many different skin types can use this. In fact, I think this is going to work on all different skin types. It's a color-free and a fragrance-free formula. Now talking about the ingredient list, what I love about this product is it does not have any denatured alcohol, which is great for young skin. It has glycerine, which is a great humectant, also moisturizes your skin. You also have vitamin E here. You also have provitamin B5. There's an anti-irritant ingredient called bisabolol, and you also have allantoin, which is calming and soothing on the skin. A great thing about this product is it comes with SPF 15, which is an added SPF on your skin. For teenagers, especially, I have stressed upon this fact time and again. If you start using good SPF from a young age, you're likely to face less skincare issues later in your life. So it's really important to include a good sunscreen. However, if you get a moisturizer which has sunscreen SPF in it, then that's an added advantage as well. If you're looking for something that works beautifully on the skin, moisturizes your skin, and is also budget friendly, this is something I highly recommend. Moving on to the last step of this skincare routine, and something I've stressed upon many times in my videos, is to use a good sunscreen. What I'm comfortable using is something that's above SPF 40 and has a good PA plus rating, at least PA triple plus. Now, if you're a teenager, I would highly urge you to wear a sunscreen, whether you're indoors or outdoors, because that way you're going to save yourself from a lot of trouble, a lot of skincare trouble later on in your life. So there's one particular sunscreen that stood out for me out of the ones that I tried. The ones that I actually love were above 500 rupees, so I had to hunt for an affordable version, because a lot of you who are on a budget for obvious reasons need an affordable sunscreen that works as well. What I found, and I want to recommend to you, is the La Shield Mineral Sunscreen. This comes with an SPF of 50. This has a PA triple plus rating. And I'm going to zoom this product in a little bit, and this is something that does not leave a white cast, which is something that I loved about the product. A lot of mineral sunscreens tend to leave a white cast. First, let's see what is the texture of this. I'm going to spread it out on my hand for you. It's a lightweight formula, and it's also non-greasy, which is a great thing, because that way a lot of different skin types can use this. The only thing I would say is the only downside about this product is that this has fragrance. It's not a very strong fragrance, but definitely there's fragrance in here, and a little bit of a stronger one at that. It did not give me any headache, or it wasn't overwhelming for me. But if you are sensitive skin condition, or if you're acne prone, I would highly urge you to patch test this product first. But if you're looking for an affordable mineral sunscreen, if you're looking for a sunscreen with a good sun protection factor and a good PA rating, I would highly recommend this. And definitely wear a sunscreen, guys. If you're a teenager, wearing a sunscreen is absolutely necessary and an important step in your skincare routine. So guys, with that, it's a wrap. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful. If you're a teenager, do try out these products and let me know in the comment section how they turned out for you. If there's any particular topic that you want me to cover in my videos, whether it's skincare, hair care, makeup, or body care, please do leave me a comment. I love hearing from you guys. And until I see you next, take good care of yourselves. Lots of love. Bye-bye.